Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. I'm your maths teacher and today I'm start your lecture with our continue topic, that is place value. In the previous class I am also discussed the place value and how we place order to the two digit number in the place value. In today class I am also discuss about the place value. If so all of you open book page number 5 and you can see question 7 on page number 5. The question number 7 is what? राइट द नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस वैल्यूज़। और राइट देखें, आप देखें क्वेश्चन 7 क्या है कि आप नंबर राइट करें प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग। और राइट इफ़ यू कैन सी पार्ट ए देर इज़ राइट 3 10s and 6 1s। आई ऑल्सो डिस्कस we discuss the 2 or 3 digit numbers in the grade 2 in our place value topic. All right, so part A is 3 10s and 6 1s. So all of you know 3 10s means 30 and 6 1s means 6. So 30 plus 6 which is equal to 36. If you can part B, so you can see 0 10s and 6 1s. 0 10s means 0 and 6 1s means 6. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Similarly, if you can see part C, you can see 5 10s and 3 1s. All right, so 5 10s means 50 and 3 1s means 3. So 50 plus 3 which is equal to 53. All right, so you can write words to numbers to follow these ways. All right, so if you can see part D, you can see 2 10s and 7 1s. 2 10s means 20 and 7 1s means 7. So you can see the number which occur is 20 plus 7, it is 27. If you can see part E, 8 10s and 0 1s. 8 10s mean 80 and 0 1s means 0. So 80 plus 0 which is equal to 80. If you can see part C, you have 2 digit number that occur is 99. 9 10s mean 90 and 9 1s mean 9. So 90 plus 9 which is equal to 99. All right, so similarly you can attempt part G and part H in the same scenario. All right, grade 2, I hope grade 2 you can write numbers from words easily. All right, if you can see part 8, you can see in part 8 the numbers write in words. Okay, like you can see in question 8 write in words कि आपने इन्हें words में लिखना है. ठीक है, part A is 4 10s and 5 1s. So you can see 4 10s mean 40 and 5 1s mean 5. So 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. In the above question you can write numbers in the mathematical numbers like 4 5, like 3 6, like 8 0. But in question 8 you can write in words like 45 you can write in FORTY 5. So if you attempt part B, you can see 7 10s and 2 1s. 7 10s and 2 1s means 70 plus 2 which is equal to 72. So you can write SEVENTY 70 and TWO 2. So if you can see part C, the part C is 3 10s and 9 1s. All right, which is equal to 30 plus 9, that is equal to 39. So you can write THIRTY 30 and INE 9. So you can write counting in words. All right, if you can attempt part D, if you see part D, you can see 8 10s and 4 1s. 8 10s mean 80 plus 4, so which is equal to 84. If you can see part E, similarly all parts are similar. Like if you can see part E is 2 10s and 8 1s, which is equal to 20 plus 8 which is equal to 28. So you can write 28 in words, TWENTY 20 EIGHT 8. And if you can see part F, you can see 9 10s and 0 1s which is equal to 90. 90 plus 0 is equal to 90, NINETY. ठीक है, if you can see part G, so you can see 5 10s and 7 1s which is equal to 57. So you can write 57 in the words FIFTYSEVE and 7. So at page 5, so grade 2 at page 5 you can see you write mathematical numbers according to place value, and you can also write the mathematical number according to words counting according to place value. All right, so if you can move to page number 6, you can see at page number 6 you can see the topic of how many 10s and how many 1s. At page 6 they use the concept of abacus in this whole scenario. ठीक है, this is a new thing in the concept of place value. So you can see abacus, the one abacus show the 10s and the other abacus show is 1s. So if you can see part A, you can see there are 5 balls you can see on the 10 abacus. You can write 5 tens means 50, and 3 balls show on one's abacus, so you can write 3. So 50 plus 3 is equal to 53, so you can write 5 tens and 3 ones, which is equal to 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. Alright, so if you can see part B, at part B, all of you see there are 8 balls on the tens abacus, so you can write 80, and 2 balls on the ones abacus, so you can write 2. So 80 plus 2, which is equal to 82, so you can write 8 tens and 2 ones. You just describe abacus figure 8 tens and 2 ones, which is equal to 82. At part C, you can see there are 6 balls on the tens abacus, so you can write 60, and there are also 6 balls on the ones abacus, so you can write 6. 60 plus 6, which is equal to 66. So you can also write T and O on the digits, like means 6 tens and 6 ones. Alright, so if you can see part D, at part D you can see there are two tens, 2 balls on the tens abacus, you can write 20, and 9 balls on the ones abacus, you can write 9. So 20 plus 9, which is equal to 29. So T and O, so you can write 2 tens and 9 ones. Alright, if you can see part E, you can see there are 9 balls on the 10 abacus. Alright, so you can write 90. 9 tens mean 90, and you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 balls on the 1 abacus, so you can write 7, which is equal to 90 plus 7 is equal to 97. So we write 9 tens and 7 ones. You can also show T and O, 9 tens and 7 ones. Alright, so if you can attempt question 10, write 63, 72, 55, 38 and 96 in ascending order. So all of you know what is ascending order. I gave a complete lecture on the topic of ascending and descending order. So if you can revise this concept, so all of you know ascending order to write number in the smaller to bigger, and descending order to write number in the bigger to smaller way. So in ascending order, you can write first the smaller number. So which is the smaller number? That is 55. You can write 55 as first. The smaller number is 38. 38 is already right here. The number which is greater than 38, that is 55. You can write 55 here. The number which is greater than 55, that is 63. You can write 63 here. The number which is greater than 63, that is 72. You can write 72 here. The number which is greater than 72, that is 96. You can write 96 here. If the same question and you write the descending order, you also revise these numbers, यानी कि आप इन नंबर को उल्टा करके भी लिख सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास एक ही क्वेश्चन और उस क्वेश्चन को आपने असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है, आपने असेंडिंग में लिख लिया है, तो आप असेंडिंग के बैकवर्ड से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर को. ठीक है, वैसे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर आपके पास ये होता है कि आपने सबसे पहले बड़े नंबर को लिखना है जो कि आपके पास ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है. उससे छोटा नंबर कौन सा आपके पास 72 है, आप देख सकते हैं. आपने 72 लिख लिया. द नंबर विच इज़ स्मॉलर देन 72, दैट इज़ 63. You can write 63 here, and the number which is smaller than 63, that is 55. You can write 55 here, and the number which is more smaller than all the other numbers, that is 38. You can write 38 here. So you can see ascending order write smaller to bigger number in a way, and you can see, and if you can see descending order to write bigger to smaller number in a way. So you can compare these. So you have to clear the concept of ascending and descending order. Okay, grade 2. My today lecture is almost 10 over to finish. Okay, grade 2. My today lecture is almost tends to finish. In this lecture, I discussed the concept of place value from page number 5. We discussed the question number 7 and the question number 8, and I also discussed the place value concept in the scenario of how many tens and how many ones on the abacus. Okay, all right. We discussed the abacus. How we show the tens and ones on the abacus, and also we revise the concept of ascending and descending order. Okay, grade 2. Inshallah, will be meet in the next lecture with our new topic. All right, so take care yourself, hard work, and goodbye to everyone.